Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will turn this resume into a 100% ATS friendly resume in MS Word. Let's get started. First, select photo and press delete. ATS software cannot read image and companies in US, UK prefer resume without photo. Second, remove site icon and lines. Keep your documents clean and simple so the ATS report can read the text easily. Third, align your name and contact detail clearly at the top. Always use normal text instead of header or footer. Next, save your file in computer, then MS Word convert to PDF. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to SkillMint Studio. See you in the next video.